Robin Automation Box Maker. A fast, flexible solution for modern packaging. Powered by over 20 servo motors with touchscreen PLC control, it sets up a new job in just 10 seconds, eliminating long changeover times. This compact machine handles trimming, cutting, slotting, creasing, gluing, and punching, all with automatic feeding by a single operator. It also features full-color digital printing for clear, precise results, without the cost of tooling or printing press. Easy to learn in only 30 minutes, and requiring just 20 by 30 feet of space, it's perfect for both large manufacturers and smaller companies bringing box production in-house. The Robin Automation Box Maker saves time, reduces costs, and improves flexibility. Truly a game changer for box production.